Oh, come on now, George. I know you can do this. I picked out an easy door for you. In Nepal. Nice, quiet Nepal.
You know, you're right. Here, take this.
Go get him, Georgie.
Gateway, look out! Coming through! Sorry, George.
What the? Hey, you can't just... 23 no!
Out of the way!
Hey!
Finally. I never should have trusted you with this. Because of you, I had to banish my top scarer.
With this machine, we won't need scarers. Besides, Sullivan got what he deserved.
Sullivan was twice the scarer you will ever be. Sorry, Boo.
Stop him!
Let's get you home.
Finish him off!
You don't know how long I've wanted to do that, Sullivan.
Mike?
Look, it's not that I don't care about the kid.
Mike, you don't understand.
Yes, I do. I was just mad, that's all. I needed some time to think. But you shouldn't have left me out there.
I'm being attacked!
No, I'm not attacking you. I'm trying to be honest. Just hear me out. We're a team. Nothing is more important than our friendship. I know, kid. He's too sensitive. Come on, pal. If you start crying, I'm gonna cry, and I'll never get through this. I'm sorry I wasn't there for you, but I am now. Hey, Sully, I am bearing my soul here. The least you can do is pay attention. Hey, look at that. It's Randall. It's...
Come on! Get up! There can't be any witnesses.
There won't be.